Hello everyone, we are Team 8. Our group members are Zhang Ruiqi, Zhang Liangze, Huang Lanqing, Jia Yufan, Mi Tianqi, and Rao Shiyuan. The topic of our group speech today is the analysis of potential problems in creative problem solving. Creative problem solving is important in the first place. Creative problem solving has many advantages. For example, the first, break through traditional thinking. Avoid falling into conventional patterns and provide new perspectives and ideas. The second, improve the efficiency of the solution. Find more effective and direct mentions. Third, enhance competitiveness, stand out in the market and gain a competitive advantage. Fourth, spark innovation, drive the development of new products, services, and process. The above four aspects are the most important in my opinion. Last but not least, the fifth, better at dealing with complex problems, suitable for mental factor, challengeable situations. Sixth, develop individual and team skills, develop creativity and problem-solving skills. Seventh, increase the flexibility and adaptability, ability and to respond quickly to change and uncertainty. Eighth, meet customer needs, provide unique solutions to increase customer satisfaction. 9. Promote organization change and development. Bring new vitality and development opportunities to the organization. 10th. Solve difficulties. Find a new way out when facing difficulties and challenges. Now let's talk about the significance of potential problem analysis. The first, risk prevention. It helps to identify possible risks and problems so that preventive measures can be taken to reduce the probability and impact of problems. The second, decision optimization. Provide decision makers with comprehensive information to enable them to make more informed decisions and avoid the adverse impact of potential issues on the project or business. Third, cost savings. By identifying and solving potential problems in advance, you can avoid cost increases and waste of resources in the later stage. Fourth, improve efficiency. Reduce the urgencies of problems and improve the smoothness and the efficiencies of work process. Now let's talk about the chapters of creative problem solving. The first, novelty. The use of unique and unconventional mentions or ideas. The second, flexibility. Not stuck in the routine, can flexibility adapt to different situations. Third, connections. The integration of multiple knowledge, skills, and resources. Fourth, divagueness. Think about problems for multiple perspectives and look for multiple solutions.
Coming up with creative solutions is also to think about potential problems too. These are skills that haven't yet, but could after us down the line. They are different from obvious problems. These are the ones we already know about and need to tell right now. The reason is important to tell the difference between potential and obvious problems is that potential problems are usually hidden and need to be discovered through deep analysis. On the other hand, obvious problems are right in front of us and need to be handled right away. So we need to be more aware of potential problems and find and fix them early before they become have a bigger use. Potential problems can come from inside or outside to the company, inside to a company. It could be changes in the organizational structures or how employees think. Outside the company, it could be change in the market or now new problems. For example, in today's currently globalization, first spread technology and driver diverse common demand can all hit convolution and operation may become the source of potential problems. In short, creative problem solving doesn't happen overnight. It takes relative exploration and summer reason to make it work. Only then can we keep moving forward and continuing in this listening and opportunity field area. Thank you.
Okay, Zhang Liangze explained the definition and source of potential problems for us. So, have you ever thought about the analysis method of potential problems? In my opinion, it can be divided into 3 aspects. First of all, identify key factors. We should concentrate on the most important aspect. It can help to clarify the main points of the problem and provide direction for further analysis. Second, risk assessment. The seriousness of potential problems can be judged so that appropriate measures can be taken. Finally, think about the possible implications. It can predict the consequences of problems, and it can help to prepare for them in advance. Okay, this is my view of the potential problem analysis method. Of course, it's only a reference. In real life, we should depend on the situation to make the choice. Okay, that's all.
Okay, let's move on to the next topic about the impact of potential problems. We divide this topic into 3 categories, namely the impact of potential problems on solution, the impact of project progress, and the impact of teamwork. First of all, let's talk about the impact of potential problems on solutions. And the instance of potential problems requires that the solutions must be flexible and forward-looking. In the project planning stage, the level of awareness of potential problems directly affects the creativity and flexibility of solutions. If the potential problem is underestimated or ignored, it may lead to the development of an incomplete solution that does not address the already problem, increasing the complexity and the uncertainty of the project, which in turn affects the implementation of the solution and weakens its effectiveness. And for example, if we do not foresee technical problem, even if we have the most perfect market strategy, we will not be able to realize the successful launch of project. Therefore, it is crucial to identify potential problems and incorporate them into process of formulating solution. Next, let's take a look at the impact of potential problems on the progress of the project. The impact of potential problem on the project schedule is immediate and significant. Problems that are not identified or resolved in a timely manner can lead to project delays, increased cost, and even project failure, which not only waste valuable time and resource, but also may miss the market opportunities. In order to avoid this situation, we need to establish an effective risk management mechanism, regularly evaluate the progress of the project, and adjust the plan in time to deal with possible problems. This can ensure that the project is completed on time and improve the team ability to respond to emergency. Finally, let's talk about impact of potential problem on teamwork. The impact of potential problem on teamwork is profound. First of all, it may lead to communication barriers among the team members. If the team members are not used to communicating openly about the problems, potential problem may be ignored, thus exacerbating their impact. On the other hand, when the problems in the team are concerned or not dealt with properly, a sense of distress may arise, which will weaken their cohesion of team and affect the cooperation among the members. In the world, potential problems have the far-reaching impact of solutions, project progress, and teamwork. Therefore, identifying and managing potential problems is the key step to ensure the success of project. By active identifying and responding to this problem, we can not only improve the success rate of the project, but also promote the harmony and the growth of team. Okay, that's all. Thank you all.
Strategies for avoiding and resolving potential problems. The first is preventive measures, which are divided into first, planning and risk assessment. Effective management of potential problems begins with through planning and risk assessment. Organizations should participate in strategic planning meetings to set goals and identify possible risks associated with each goal. Second, standard operating philosophy. Developing and implementing SOPs ensures consistency in operations and reduces the chance of error due to ambiguity or miscommunication. Third, training and development. Providing regular training programs to employees can effectively help them deal with daily risks and tests and unforeseen challenges. This includes not only job special training but also training in soft skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and communication. Fourth, technical tools. Leveraging technology can streamline operations and anticipate possible system failures before they become critical. The next one is response strategies. First, have a crisis management team. Having a dedicated crisis management team can significantly improve an organization's ability to
very careful and respond to unforeseen issues. Second, have a communication plans during a crisis. Clear and effective communication is crucial. Establishing clarified communication protocols helps maintain order and transparency. Third, have operational flexibility. Building flexibility into operations can help organizations adapt quickly to instructions. This could mean diversifying flags to avoid being paralyzed by problems with a single flag, or developing contingency plans that allow for change in production method or delivery schedule. Fourth, to be able to real-time problem solving. Encouraging a culture that promotes real-time problem solving can help nip problems in the bud. This means empowering employees to make their decisions and take action when potential issues are discovered, rather than waiting for a lengthy approval process. Finally, there is monitoring and adjustments. First, regularly review and audit. Regular operational reviews and audits help continuously identify and address vulnerabilities before they escalate into large problems. Second, there must be a feedback mechanism in implementing effective internal and external feedback mechanisms can provide early warning of potential problems. Third, there must be performance metrics establishing clear performance metrics allows for continuous evaluation and the improvement of the process. Fourth, be able to adaptive leadership. Adaptive leadership improves the ability to anticipate change, empower teams, and effectively move an organization through transformation. Leaders should not only possess strategic vision, but also the emotional intelligence to manage team dynamics under pressure.
Potential problem analysis concerning quality control for smartphone manufacturing company. The company that manufactures smartphones recently discovered that the return rate of this newly released mobile phone model on the market has increased significantly compared with unusual. Preliminary survey shows that the main complaints from consumers focus on overheating of the device and reduce the battery life. In response to the crisis, the company decided to immediately intentional problem analysis to quickly identify root cause and develop effective resolution strategies. Analysis of potential problems, device overheating problems reason. The CPU or other core hardware is too concentrated and has poor heat dissipation. Battery life is reduced. Possible reason: battery material or manufacturing quality issue. Battery loss caused by circuit design defects or improper use. Solution: strictly control battery quality and accept high quality battery suppliers, redesign the changing system structure, or use a new generation of safer and more effective changing technology. In conclusion, in exploring creative problem solving, we thoroughly discussed the importance of potential problem analysis and its critical role in practical implementation. Potential problems different from problems that are easily seen on the surface, are often hidden deep in the project and require careful observation and in-depth thinking to identify them. Through our analysis, we can make it clear that identification and analysis of potential problems not only help prevent possible negative impacts early on, but also increase the reliability and the innovation of solutions. First, creative problem solving emphasize novelty and uniqueness, and this process promotes the generation of new thinking by identifying and solving potential problems. Thinking across disciplines and accommodation. Multiple possible also provides a broader perspective and more solution for identifying and dealing with potential problems. In practice, analysis of potential problems require identifying key internal and external factors, assessing potential risks, and considering possible impact of these problems on the overall project schedule, solution implementation, and teamwork. Secondly, the strength for dealing with potential problems include preparation measures, specific response plans, and continuous monitoring and adjustment. These three are the key to ensuring project success. And the key analysis actually demonstrates how to effectively identify and solve potential problems in different situations, and how these experiments can guide more projects in the future. Finally, by constantly paying attention to and analyzing potential problems, business and teams can not only avoid many unforeseen changes, but also stay innovation and forward-looking in a highly competitive market. Continuous attention and optimization of the process for handling potential problems are important ingredients for pushing the project forward and achieving goals. In short, potential problems analysis is an internal part of the creative problem solving process. By effectively managing and solving potential problems, the success rate and innovation capability of the project can be greatly improved. Continuous attention and optimization of the potential problems handling process will become one of key success factors for future project management.